शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
शुक्लांबरधरं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये
अगजाननपद्मार्कं
अगजाननपद्मार्कं
गजाननमहर्निशम्
गजाननमहर्निशम्
अनेकदं तं भक्तानाम्
अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम्
एकदन्तम् उपास्महे
एकदन्तम् उपास्महे
ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवम्
ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवम्
निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम्
निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम्
आधारं सर्वविद्यानाम्
आधारं सर्वविद्यानाम्
हयग्रीवमुपास्महे
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 कृष्णं कमलपत्राक्षम्
कृष्णं कमलपत्राक्षं
पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनम्
पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनं
वासुदेवं जगद्योनिम्
वासुदेवं
जगत्योनिं
नौमि नारायणं हरिम्
नारायणं हरिं
नौमि नारायणं हरिम्
नौमि
नारायणं हरिं.
Now we recite the first sloka of the first Dasakam. Sandranandavabodhatmakam
सांद्रानन्दावबोधात्मकम्
Anupamitam kaladeshavadhibhyam
अनुपमितं कालदेशावधिभ्याम्
Nirmuktam nityamuktam
निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं
Nigamashatasahasrena
निगमशतसहस्रेण
Nirbhasyamanam
निर्भाष्यमानं
अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे
अस्पष्टं
दृष्टमात्रे
पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकम्
पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थकामं
ब्रह्मतत्त्वम्
ब्रह्मतत्त्वं
तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात्
तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात्
गुरुपवनपुरे हन्तभाग्यं जनानाम्
गुरुपवनपुरे
भाग्यं जनानाम्
गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनानाम्
गुरुपवनपुरे
भाग्यं जनानाम्.
So we see that Krishna being installed in the Guru Pavanapura. So where Guru Pavanapura by Guru and Pavana, and it is the luck or fortune of all people upon the earth. Who is this Krishna? He is a Brahma Tattvam. So the supreme truth is Krishna, and he is able to help us to fulfill our four purusharthas: dharma, artha, kama, moksha. So that particular Paramatma is there in that. So we have been trying to know the episode by episode where the Narayaniyam or Bhagavatam stories is being well depicted, and one by one. But now we have come to the 14th Dashakam, the last stanzas. In the 14th Dashakam, we see that Kapila Maharshi is born to Kapila Vishnu is born as Kapila Maharshi, and we have seen all that. So we'll start from the 6th stanza where we stopped last class. of
2.4 లో స్టాప్ చేసామండి లాస్ట్ క్లాస్.
4. ఓకే
4 నాలుగోది.
దెన్ ఒకసారి చెప్పు. దెన్ ఒకసారి ఈ 4 చెప్పేసి మేము వెళ్ళిపోదాం నెక్స్ట్ కి.
4 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలండి.
అమ్మా
4 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలన్నమాట.
చేస్తాం. ఈ 4 శ్లోకాలు ఒకసారి చెప్పేసుకుంటే టోటల్ ఎందుకంటే బికాస్ ఎవ్రీ దశకం has got some specific application of employment and also some kind of material and spiritual benefit, because those people who practice this Narayaniyam, they will offer at the end of every dasakam Puna Puja, Mangala Harati, Dhupa, Deepa, Naivedya, Tambula, and also Sankalpa. So like that they keep on doing these dasakas. 100 dasakas, what stage will take long time, but depending upon the time demand, they just decide select the dasakas. So this Kapilavatar dasaka, because Avatara is there, the descendancy of Vishnu in several forms. But in Vishnu Sahasranamam, you remember Maharshi Kapilacharya Krutagno Medini Patihi is the expression. So we have to remember the Kapila Maharshi. They're all great rishis who have contributed immensely for the academic field, at the same time spiritual practices. So we shall just read once. Samanuspruta Tavaka Angri Yugmaha.
Samanuskrita Tavaka Angri Yugmaha.
Samanuhu Pankaja Sambhavanga Janma.
Samanuhu Pankaja Sambhavanga Janma.
Pankaja Sambhavanga Janma.
Pankaja Sambhavanga Janma.
Nijamantaramantaraya Hinam.
Nijamantaramantaraya Hinam.
Charitam te kathayan.
Charitam te kathayan.
Sukham ninaya.
Sukham ninaya.
So this Manu spent his time very happily, comfortably, just remembering the sacred feet of O Guruvayur Krishna, and there was no any kind of problem to him. So he went on reciting your story, because Krishna Katha Sravana, Vishnu Katha Sravana or Manana and Patana will have lot of benefic vibrations on people. They're all recognized as bhaktas. Now, Samaye Khalu Tatra Kardamakhyo.
Samaye Khalu Tatra Kardamakhyo.
Druhina Chaya Bhavastadiya Vacha.
Druhina Chaya Bhavastadiya Vacha.
Dhruta Sargaraso.
Druta Sargaraso.
Nisargaramyam.
Nisargaramyam.
Bhagavam Stva Mayutam Samaha.
Bhagavam Stva Mayutam Sama.
Sisheve.
Shiseve.
So that Kardamakhya Druhina Chaya Bhavaha. So that Kardama Maharshi is also another, because they are taken as the children or sons of Lakshmi Devi. But we don't know which Kardama, only one Kardama is there in the history. Ananda Kardamaschaiva Chiklita iti Visrutaha Rishayaste Trayah Putraha Swayam Sri Devi Devata. Like that, the reference comes in Sri Suktam Rigveda. So there are Vedic rishis. And what did he do? So he went on very busily serving the Bhagavan for several years, and being engrossed in doing the Sarga Kriya or creation. When he was doing that kind of activity, then Vishnu appears to him. How does the Vishnu come? Please repeat. Garudo Parikala Mekha Kambram.
गरुडोपरितालमेघकम्रम्
विलसत्केलि सरोज पाणि पद्मम्
विलसत्केलि सरोजपाणि
सरोजपाणि पद्मम्
हसितोल्लसिताननम्
हसितोल्लसिताननम्
विभो त्वं वपुः
विभो त्वं बहुः
आविष्कुरुषे स्म कर्दमाय
आविष्कुरेशेष्मकर्दमाय
See, the ultimate object is to visualize the Paramatma, how he is like, and depending upon the mode of concentration, meditation, and tapas, the Paramatma will reveal himself to that. Because, as you see in Vishnu Sahasranamam, he has not got one rupam. Ye aneka rupaha, eka rupo neka. So he is called eka rupa, aneka rupa, and vividha rupa, and so on. Therefore, he, Narayana, appeared to that Maharshi sitting upon the Garuda, and he was just having the Kambravarna, that just like that of the rain-giving cloud, Kala Megha. Kala is dark, just like the dark cloud. Generally, dark clouds are prone to give us definitely water or rain. And Virasat Keli Saroja Pani Padmam. So he had got Saroja Pani Padma, and with that, and Hasita Ullasita Ananam Vibho. See, that Bhattacharya Rashi, even poet, is describing as though he has actually visualized him, or that is the Dhyana Mahima. See, when you just lift up your imagination and make your mind channelize into a particular object or goal, actually you get the vibrations accordingly. Therefore, whether Kardama Maharshi saw, how Kardama Maharshi saw the Paramatma, the same manner, even the Bhattacharya also describing, so to say that in the imagination power and also the bhakti, there won't be any kind of difference, because all bhaktas are the same to Paramatma. So if at all he is describing Paramatma to be, how did he appear? Hasita Ullasita Ananam. His Anana was simply bright, lustrous and shining with a smile. So whenever people smile, or that is a mode of happiness, and when happy and the face with happiness is always encouraging us and grace for us. Therefore, Tvam Vibho and Avishkurushe Vapuhu Kardamaya Sma. He is just trying to remind in what form that Narayana gave darshan to Kardama Prajapati. So that too, he is describing as though he is just there visualizing Narayana in the form with which he appeared to Kardama. So Sma Kardamaya is important. See, Avishkurushe Sma. In Sanskrit, whenever the Sma is there, it indicates the past tense. So the past event is described here as though it's a current one. Therefore, Avishkurushe means Avish. So Paramatma's, there is Avishkara and Avatara, Janma. These are all the various terms employed for the Paramatma's appearance. Because Paramatma is absolute light, Tejo Rasi, but they assume forms for the convenience of the bhaktas, that the bhaktas can't get confused. And therefore, you see the dhyana slokas are variant depending upon the context and depending upon the Rishi. For example, when you see Shantakaram Bhujagasayanam Padmanabham, that has become a classical form of Avishkarana of Narayana, which has been so popular in the tradition. There are number of mantras, there are number of slokas, dhyana slokas, but this also. And again, Shirodanvat Pradeshe, So a few months are very popular. Here, in the same manner, how that Narayana gave darshan to that Kardama Prajapati, the poet Gattatari describes as though he has also seen that. It means that he would also see Narayana in the same form, whichever he decides like. So, Agre Pasyami, last sloka, it comes up that I am able to see before me standing Narayana. So, the gracious vibrations that one could be getting because of the presence of Narayana, that's a unique experience. Probably when you are all devoted, when your mind is completely oppressed with the devotion and remembering all that glory of the Paramatma, whoever it is, whether it's Brahmanya or Ganesha or anybody, I had to forward it. One of the students there in India, the software engineer by Ramachandru or Ramchandra, he has performed Ganapati, Lakshmi Ganapati Homa. And when he performed Lakshmi Ganapati Homa, and in the Homa Kunda, the flames are framed in such a manner, you will believe it. I will forward it to you. In such a manner that it was Lakshmi Ganapati has come up gracing, showing his appearance. Actually, we don't know how the Ganapati will be like. Some painters have drawn, some others, all depends upon. But you see the Ganapati form of your confidence in the Vedi. It's very interesting. Similarly, in India, one of our friends did Lalita Sahasranama for some, and when they did Lalita Sahasranama for all things, Hayagriva Maharshi comes up in the Yagnavedi, and Hayagriva Maharshi means who is the initiator of Lalita Sahasranama to Agastya Maharshi. So Vishnu is Hayagriva with a horse head, and with that picture, the book on Lalita Sahasranama has been written down, and that was presented to me. So why I'm telling is, Avishkurushe Sma is really interesting that you did like that. How he appeared, that appearance is being recorded in the brain of in the mind of this person and is reminding. And again, please repeat. Stuvate pulaka vrutaya tasmai.
स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै
Manuputri dayitam navapi putri.
मनुपुत्रीं दयितां नवापि पुत्रीः
Kapilam cha sutam swameva paschatu.
कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात्
Swagatim chapyanugruhya.
स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य
Nirgato bhuhu.
निर्गतो भूः
So this Kardama Prajapati had 9 Navabi Putrihi. He was given, he was blessed Manuputri, that Puruhitika, Devahuti, Dayitam, and he made that Kardama Prajapati to marry that Manuputri, Devahuti, and also blessed to get 9 daughters, and Kapilam Chaswayam. So Kapila Maharshi also, and then when all these things happened, that Kapila Maharshi went away for the sake of performing the penance. Now onwards, we shall do 2 times. And what happened? Samanuhu Satarupaya Mahishya.
समनुः शतरूपया महिष्या समनुः शतरूपया महिष्या
Gunavatya Sutaya cha Devahutya.
गुणवत्या सुतया च देवहूत्या गुणवत्या सुतया च देवहूत्या
Bhavadirita Naradopadishtaha.
भवदीरितनारदोपदिष्टः भवदीरितनारदोपदिष्टः
Samagat Kardama Gati Pratiksham.
समगात् कर्दमा गति sorry समगात् कर्दमा मागति प्रतीक्षम् Samagat kardama magati pratiksham.
Manunopahrutam cha devahutim.
Manunopahrutam cha devahutim.
Devahutim.
Devahutim. Manunopahrutam cha devahutim.
Taruni ratnamavapya kardamosau.
Taruni ratnamavapya kardamosau. Taruni ratnamavapya kardamosau.
Bhavadarchana nirvrutopi tasyam.
Bhavadarchana nirvrutopi tasyam. Bhavadarchana nirvrutopi tasyam.
Druಢ sushrushanaya dadau prasadam.
Drudha Shrushrushanaja Dadhau Prasadam. Drudha Shrushrushanaja Dadhau Prasadam.
Sa punaha tudupasana prabhavat.
Sa punaha Twadupasana Prabhava.
Very good, you are knowing Sanskrit, wonderful.
Sa
Though the samasa is long and tough, I am not splitting, but putting it as it is, you are just making attempt, and that itself is Narayana Anugraha. Because otherwise I'm not splitting. So, Twadupasana Prabhavat Daita Kama Krute.
Sa punasa Twadupasana Prabhava Daita Kama Krute.
Krute Vimane.
Krute Vimane. Krute Vimane.
Vanita Kula Sankulo Navahatma.
Vanita Kula Sankulo Navatma. Vanita Kula Sankulo Navatma.
Vyaharadeva Patheshu Devahutya.
Vyaharadeva Patheshu Devahutya. Vyaharadeva Patheshu Devahutya.
So let us not think that all rishis are completely confined under a tree doing japa, parayana, homa. You know that all the maharshis, they have also got family life. Once they get married, they go for a honeymoon or whatever moon it is. So they go out, and because they have got special powers, they will make it more and more comfortable. So that's what Kardama Prajapati did the moment after marriage. He was, see, Samanuhu Satarupaya Mahishya. Mahishi means wife. So the name of his wife was Satarupa. So with that Mahasi, and who is that? Even his wife also very cooperating and very very adjustable and loving wife. So we never in the normally in our Puranas or scriptures, we see always couples depicted who are completely happy with their family life. Though though some people have got more wives, but no wife has got any disgruntling. For example, Devaki and Vasudeva, that Vasudeva has got 14 wives. Devaki is the Pattamahishi, and Krishna chose to be born through Devaki. That means to say that Krishna has got 13 mothers, 13 plus 1. So, we never come across that particular description, but only once that kind of reference, is there in Bhagavatam, that he was having the Devaki, like that. But still, they have had lot of pleasure and taken out outing and all that there. And here in Bhagavatam, that bhaktas are not always confined to the spirituality. They took deviation for a while in order to please their respective wives and family. So something like family time. Some people say they don't accept any phone call after 9 o'clock. If at all you call them, it's my family time. Please call me tomorrow. Like that people say. So here also, Gunavatya Sutaya cha Devahutya. So Devahutya, and along with the daughter, who is Gunavati. Gunavati is very much virtuous, well-behaved lady, Sutaya Devahutya, Manusuta Devahuti, and Bhavadirita Naradopadishta Samagat Kardamam Agati Pratiksham. So Naradopadishta, Narada Maharshi is really interesting fellow. He's a reporter. He is good for good, he is bad for bad, but he will be making people stimulating and activating and bring war, bring peace. Oh, that's why Narada is the worst sufferer of getting lot of curses. In the history of the Munis, if you talk about Narada Maharshi, he is the only one. He hardly he gave the shapams to others, but he suffered many shapams. But he always requested all those people who cursed him, I don't want to lose the Narayana Smriti. Whatever sapa you give, I can agree. In fact, Narada Maharshi is one who was cursed to become a woman and give rise for 60 children. And afterwards, again, when the time is over, he came back, he became once again Narada Maharshi. So this is all we don't know. That's why the Rushi Charitam is a really interesting and also instructive for the society. So Bhavadirita Bhavata Irita Naradopadishta. He was told, he was given a clue that Narada was asked to go and tell him something. So Narada Upadishta is Naradopadesha. What did you do? Kardama Agati Pratiksham Samagat. So he was just waiting for the Kardama to come back, and he was under waiting. Then meanwhile, what did he do? Manunopahrutam cha devahihutim tarunim ratnam avapya kardamosau bhavadarchana nirrutopi tasyam drudasusrushanaya dadhau prasadam. So although he was so much devoted, but he was very much pleased with the kind of service that Devahuti did for him. And Anavapya Kardamosau, Taruni Ratnam Anavapya, Avapya Kardamosau, Pavadarchanarutopi Tasyam, Durasushrunaya Dadau Prasadam. So he was very much gracious because of the Susrusha. Then Sapunaha Tadupasana Prabhavat. So then because of the power of the Narayana Upasana. So anybody who does Upasana of any god, they will be Upasakas. And in India, I don't know in America, India people started, he's a Surya Upasaka, Ganapati Upasaka, and Subramanya Upasaka. This will be the tag which people would have. That means that Upasana Shakti will give some more extra powers and all that. Therefore, this particular, what it is do, Sapunaha Todupasana Prabhavat. Because of the Prabhava. Prabhava is Mahima. Prabhava is influence. Prabhava is Shakti. So when you make Devata Radhana, that will definitely leave upon us positive vibrations. We have a number of instances in the scriptures that many bhaktas have got good advantages. Therefore, Name Bhaktaha Pranasyati. Krishna said that never his bhaktas will be demeaned and they will be always elevated and respected. And also bhaktas are prone for doing kalyana, so they are all called kalyana krut. So what he has done, in order to please his wife, Dayita Kama Krute. Kama is desire. Probably the Dayita, the wife wanted some kind of outing, some Vihara Yatra, Vinoda Yatra. So for that sake, what did you? Vimani Krute. He created one Vimanam. Vimana means aircraft. It is called Vimana because Viyati Minoti iti Vimanaha. It measures distances in the sky. So Vimana is it that which is a vehicle which will cover distances in the sky called Vimana. So Krute Vimana means he created one aircraft for air travel. That's the most luxurious one to have air travel. And also there were a number of women accompanying them. So Vanita Kula Sankulo Navatma Vyavaharat Devapatheshu Devahutya. With Devahuti, in the Devapathas, that Manu enjoyed outing and enjoyed the pleasure situations, the garden and all that. Then, repeat, Satavarshamatha Vyatitya Soyam.
Shatamarshamath vyatitya soyam. Shatamarshamath vyatitya soyam.
Navakanya Samavapya Dhanya Rupaha.
Navakanya samavapya dhanya rupaha. Navakanya samavapya dhanya rupaha.
Vanayana Samudjatopi Vanayana Samudjatopi
Vanayana samudyatopi. Vanayana samudyatopi.
Kantahita
Kantahita. Kantahita.
Krut Jananotsuko Nyavasitu.
Krudyana. Krudyajana.
Jananotsuko
Krudjananotsuko nyavatsit. Krudjananotsuko nyavatsit.
Nijabhartrugira
Nijabhartrugira. Nijabhartrugira.
Bhavannisheva
Bhavannisheva. Bhavannisheva.
Nirataya Matha
Nirataya matha.
Devahutyam
Devahutyam. Devahutyam.
Kapilaha Tvamajayatha
Kapilaha tvamajayatha. Kapilaha tvamajayatha. Sorry.
Prathayishyan
Jananam.
Jananam Prathayishyan
Jananam prathayishyan. Jananam prathayishyan.
Paramatma Tattva Vidyam
Paramatma tattva vidyam. Paramatma tattva vidyam.
That is the target of life. See, what is one of the important journeys oriented of all human beings born upon the earth? Only upon Bhuloka we have got plenitude of opportunity to be able to understand, comprehend, realize, and find out the Nija Tattva of the Paramatma. Nowhere it could be revealed, nowhere that kind of attempt could be done. In no other loka, people do not do that. Only in Manava loka, Bhuloka, that's a karma bhumi. So karma bhumi etam prapya. That's how our poets describe. See, when we are born here, we are so fortunate that we are born in the karma bhumi, wherewith through karma we can get liberation. There is no liberation in any place, in any country, in any land except Bhulokam. Though there are so many lokas, all other lokas are for bhoga. Only Bhuloka is for moksha. And therefore, karma prasangat kalayati matra kutshau. Shankaracharya says that only in order to make some karma, Shubha karma and Sat karma, Deva karma, etc., all noble activities to perform, we are allowed to have a janma. So janma is not something, it is something atyanta punya phala Panena kritam kalu sariram. See, in Vedanta, Kalidasa says that we have purchased human body by pledging immense punya that we have acquired in the past births. If at all, we see, these are all one of the things. Sarirani chame yagnena kalpanta means we have paid a very heavy price to get the man's birth. And all other births are there. Birth is automatic. But among the births, you should have a noble birth. And even though born as human being, we should have Devanugraham. That's why it is said, Trayayete Durlabhaha. What is Durlabham Manusham Janma? Durlabham Manusham Janma. Secondly, Daivanugraha Patukam. And thirdly, Satsanga. It is also to get into contact with the Guru, with the right Gurus who can guide you and put you on the right track. Because the Gurus must be so much engrossed as to make the Shishya also go in the same path. See that Shishya who gets emancipation earlier is no matter. The Shishya might get emancipation quicker than the Guru himself, because there is no guarantee and order who should get first. So, but the target is that Mahata Punya Phala Phanena. Phana is the money price which we have paid. So, whenever you pay heavily and bring an article home, you are very careful. You don't break it. You always give caution. Hey, it's very expensive. It's expensive. Don't break. Use it. Like that, we keep on remembering the expenses that we have paid. Similarly, our Manava Janma is like that. Therefore, Manava Janma Kadu Doddadu Huchappa Gadira. Purandaradasa tells, hey, mad fellows, don't simply be indifferent to the human birth. Kadu Doddadu anta heltane. And it's an extremely highly blessed one. And that too, Daivanugraham, to be having a spiritual bent of mind. You know, all people live like human animals. And how many families are there? People are there. Hardly they do Deeparadhana or Gantanada or Shankhanada in their houses. Mechanically, all people are highly malicious. And whatever punya they have done, they get all comforts. They get all things. But where is spirituality? So our actual age counts depending upon the time you spent to the devotional time. So that's why it is said that you have to attach yourself at least some time in 24 hours or more, anytime. But see that you remember smarana. Smarane sukham. Smartyaha. So the smarana was being done by that, and now it is going. So here you see, what did he do? Tapunaha tadupasana prabhavat. What did he do? Dayita kama krute, for the sake of fulfillment of the desire of his wife. Vimane krute. He made one big vimana and aircraft, and in that he Navatma Vyavaharat Deva Patheshu Devahutya. In fact, in Bhagavatam, Devahuti is a very interesting, important character. Tomorrow, we are going to get the release of the Bhagavata Saptasati, 700 slokas. After this, if I am here or anywhere, I will teach you the Bhagavata Saptasati, whereby you really feel elevated, because we cannot choose what is necessary for us. But because and I don't know why that Guru Medavaram Subramanya Shastri hit upon the idea of picking up 700 slokas and make it as a model of Durga Saptasati. In Durga Saptasati, every sentence, every sloka, every half sloka is a formula. And so you are everything you add, you just start with Omkara, add Swahakara and all it. So as a result, what happens? you are going to get the immense benefit. For the past 20 years, we have been doing Saundarya Homa in our Kendra, and many people have got practice and used to attend once in a way, at least 2 hours in the Kendra Pratyaksham, and they are all getting realize so much of benefits. But now, because of COVID, people have stopped, but at least Parayanam being done. But it will not go. After doing some more than 50 and all that, we started getting the forums in the Purnahuti in the Vedi. Then I asked my guru, that Krishnan, because he's the one who has been initiated by the Swamiji's, Mathadipatis, Sringeri Mathadipati and all that, to perform Saundarya Lahari in a Homa forum. So he said, after doing 50 and something like that, then Devi wants to manifest at each time you do afterwards. Thereby, we have realized, we have seen Panchamukha Ganapati, Panchamukha Anjaneya, the footprint of Anjaneya, and also the owl, what is Gudlaguba. That is the Vahanam of Lakshmi Devi. If vehicle is there, you can imagine the person is there. So sometimes people will say, go and check whether his vehicle is there or not. So if your vehicle, if your car is there, you are somewhere around moving. So like that, we saw that owl or Gupta in the Vedi, oh, Lakshmi has come here. She is very busy otherwise, but she has left her Vahanam in our Vedi. So like that, we have a number. And first one, we had the darshan of Narasimha Swami. Such a beautiful, and even today, it's a green memory for me. Only 6 people were there to see Narasimha Swami, the lion face, and the eyes were just like the cotton seeds, but illuminated inside. So there was very black eyes and that vein and all that. This is a kind of a different experience which you get vibration. That's why here with Devahuti, he enjoyed in the streets or fields where Devapatha, Devayana, they got national highways specially marked for the gods. VIP Marga, VVIP Marga, General Marga, like that. You see the marking. Even in a meeting, press people, KEB people, BWSS people, like that, they mark. So here also, Deva Patheshu Devahutya. And now you observe, Shatavarshamathavatyitya soyam. Please repeat.
Shatavarshamathavatyitya soyam. Shatavarshamathavatyitya soyam.
Navakanyaha samavapya dhanya rupa.
Navakanya samavapya dhanya rupa. Navakanya samavapya dhanya rupa.
Vanayana samudyatopi kantahita.
Vanayana samudyatopi kantahita. Vanayana samudyatopi kantahita.
Kantahita krut jwalanotsuka. Sorry, Kantahita krut jananotsuko nyavasitu.
Kantahita krutya.
Jananotsuko.
Kantahita krutva
Jananotsuko.
Jananotsuko nyavatsati.
Nyavatsitu.
Nyavatsitu. Kantahita krutva jananotsuko nyavatsitu.
Very good. Your Sanskrit is good. So, yeah, you are just getting the correct answer. See, what to do? He spent like that 100 years. Atha, then, Shatavarsham, Saha Ayam, Vyatitya. Vyatitya means spending. He spent like that, enjoying the family life and also spiritual life for 100 years because of the grace of the Paramatma. It was because he got the grace of Paramatma because he was the Upasaka. So all upasakas are very dear to the gods, and the gods will take care of them. Name bhaktaha pranasyanti, when he says that. So afterwards, he got Navakanyaha. He got 9 daughters, who are, all the 9 daughters are very, very beautiful. Dhanya Rupaha. Rupa is beauty. Dhanya Rupa means exquisitely beautiful. Highly beautiful 9 daughters he has got. And again, after getting the daughters, Janma, the Muni wanted to retire to the forest. But he was bound by the desire of his wife. Pendulum Bharya Mata Vinavalenu is a proverb, right from the scriptural times. So then his wife told him, no, don't go. He said, no, but we have only daughters, and we are also promised the birth of a son. Therefore, wait for the birth of the son. Then this Maharshi, that's why Vanayana Samudjatopi. Yana means going away, retiring. So Yana is to go. So he wanted to go to forest. Samudjataha means ready. He is ready to go to forest life. But Kanta Hitakrutu, in order to please his wife, Kanta is wife. So in order to please his wife, and also with a desire, with an anxiety, Jananotsukaha, with an anxiety that a son would be born to him. So that's a Kapila will be the son born, to be born. What do you do? Nyavat Seet. Nyavat Seet means he started continuously living there itself, not going to the forest. Therefore, all man's programs will be monitored by the wife in the house. She is the dictator. She is the Maharajni. Nobody can deny and debate. In Rigveda itself told that she enters the in-law house as a Maharani. Therefore, the lifestyles change in the house. And therefore, here, he listened to the wife's advice and he remained there only. Then what happened? Look, Nijabhartrugira Bhavan Nisheva.
Nijabhartrugira Bhavan Nisheva. Nijabhartrugira Bhavan Nisheva.
Nirataya Matha Devahutyam.
Nirataya Matha Devahutyam. Nirataya Matha Devahutyam.
Kapilaha Tvam.
Kapilaha Tvam. Kapilaha Tvam.
Ajayatha Jananam.
Ajayatha Jananam. Ajayatha Jananam.
Prathayishyan.
Pratayishyan. Pratayishyan.
Paramatma Tattva Vidyam.
Paramatma Tattva Vidyam. Paramatma Tattva Vidyam.
This is very important for us. Look at it. Nija Bhartrugira Bhavan Nisheva. Nija Bhartrugira, because of the promise and words of her own husband or Vara, and Bhavan Nisheva, they are completely dedicated in service to Narayana. See, Narayana Seva, Narayana Anugraha. So because Narayana is always available, because what is the name of Narayana? What is the original primordial name of Vishnu? Narayana is the name. And all the 1,000 names are any number of names given to are only to Narayana. That's why Narayana Sprutihi. They call Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. And therefore Vishwam Vishnu. Vishnu is the job or appointment which Narayana has got. Otherwise we have got Samudra Narayana, Vipra Narayana, Surya Narayana. Like that, Narayana will be having a. So Simha Narayana, Narayana Narayana Narasimha, Narayana Narayana Veera Simha, Narayana Narayana Bhadra Simha, Narayana Narayana Durga Simha. You understand? This is how Narasimha Sahasranam runs. So Narayana, then all attributes to Narayana, that is only Vibhava of Narayana, or the Aishwarya of Narayana is that. That's why we have to remember the Narayana name. Vishnu is not much approved. Only in the Parakarmas, they will not say Narayan, Narayan. They will say Vishnu. So depending upon the context, the other names are being employed. Damodaraha, Hrishikeshaha, and Aniruddha. Like that, we have so many names to Vishnu. But even every name has got some symbolism. Every name has got some contextual validity. Every name has got some spiritual vibration. So that is see, in Bangalore, there was 6 months on Vishnu Sahasranamam. A great Sanskrit, Kannada scholar, Sanskrit scholar, gave Upanyasam in Rajgudda temple. 6 months. But as the time was forgetting the meaning of all the words that have been told. 6 months every day, Upadesha. But that so much is there to talk about the Narayana Vibhava. Now, Niratayam Devahutyam Deva. See, she was a Nirata. Rata is dedicated, devoted. Nirata means Nisseshena, deeply devoted, double D. So that is, she has not got any other thing to remember, to focus, but only Narayana Puja, Narayana Seva, Narayana Smarana, Narayana Japa. So when that kind of polarizing your attention and your meditation on single thing, definitely you are going. Because that's why Namaparayana Prita. So Nandi Vidya Nateswari in Lalita Sahasranamam, Namaparayana Prita. What is the next word? Nandi Vidya Nateswari. Nandi Vidya means dance. Nandi plays Mridangam whenever Shiva Tandava, or he did not go to hire accompaniments. Shiva and Parvati need not go outsourcing. No, there are only Asthana Vidwans. Nandi is Asthana Vidwan to play Mridangam. Our Ganapati is there to play the violin. And so Ganapati is all instruments. Therefore, he is also a dancer, Natya Ganapati. So Natya Ganapati, Heramba Ganapati, like that. So I meant to say that. So Niratayamata Devahutyam Tvam Deva Kapilaha Jayatha. Now there is a Janma. So as Kapila Maharshi, you are born. Janana, why Kapila Maharshi's avatar has come through avatar of Kapila Maharshi, of Narayana. You know, Narayana cannot keep quiet in the air chambers. He has to be out. A manager of a bank cannot always remain in the AC chambers. He has to get out. He has to go to counter. He has to fill up the challan form of the customers. Then he will get more and more deposits. If he is simply sitting as a Lord, I am a manager, no, nobody will bother about it. Because he should be available for people. I know some managers of the banks and the offices, if they are very much working and kind, there will be a lot of different atmosphere. So, why that birth of Kapila Maharshi, Kapilacharya has come up? Because Jananam Paramatma Tattva Vidyam Prathayishyan. The target or the goal of or the purpose of that Kapila Maharshi is to educate all people. Jana means those who have got Janma. And where are these Janas? All the Janas are there on the Jagat. I told you, remember, Ja is birth, Ga is death. So upon this earth, nobody can remain. Even Trisanku Maharshi or Trisanku or whichever person desired to stay upon the earth? No. You have to vacate the earth. You have to vacate. So for that we have to prepare. No, I'll prepare when I retire, when I become old man. When you retire an old man, so many diseases will attack us. That's why. So Ramaraksha Stotram, when you say there, it is mentioned that when Ramanama is being taken by the Bhakta, the diseases are afraid. They may just think of your name, but looking you doing that, they retire. They don't come at all. So you will not know that that kind of disease was there. That's why Ramaraksha Stotras, there are significant parts of our body mentioned. First 10 slokas you recite every day, you will see the result. Because Ramaya, Ramabhadraya, Ramachandraya, Vedase, Raghunathaya, Nathaya, Sitaya, Pataye Namaha. When you recite this sloka, because Rama, all these names are being are names called by 10 different persons. So Sita used to call Rama with one name, then Kausalya used to call one name, Dasaratha used to call him by name. So all these names put together will be very much making happy Rama. Therefore, we have also here also, O Deva Kapila, you are born Jananam, Paramatma Tattva. See, we are all Atmas. Having Atma, having body. So what is there in our body? There is Atma in a body. And that Atma has got to be looked after. Atmana Atmanam Pasya. So what is Lord Shiva doing? Atmana Atmanam Pasyati. With your Atma, you see the Atma. That is, to see the Atma, you require Atma. Vajram Vajrena Vidyate. Vajram cut madadake, you want another Vajram. Like that, Paramatma, and it's a Vidya. What is Vidya? Vidya is a philosophical, spiritual tool by practicing which you will be able to attain the moksha. There are so many Vidyas. We have got the Samaha Vidyas, Sri Vidya, Kamakoti Vidya, and Chandra Vidya, etc. etc. We have got so many. And we have got this Ganapati Vidya, that's what Ganesha Vidya, Savitri Vidya, Angirasa Vidya, enough. So many Vidyas are there. But we have got to adopt and understand, practice. One Vidya is good enough. If Sri Vidyopasakanam Purarjanmana Vidyate is the promise given by Ayagriva. Because Sri Vidya is said to be Raja Vidya. And it's a Moksha Vidya. That's why Sri Vidya Raja Vedine. So our Veda, our knowledge of that, here also Tattva Vidyam, Paramatma Tattva Vidyam. What is that Paramatma Tattva? That has got to be inculcated, imparted upon that. That's why Maharshi Kapila Acharya, Kapila Maharshi, all Acharyas, they were able to give us the Vidya. Therefore, our Vidya, that we say Vidyarthi, our BA, BSc degree is no, it's only Potta, it's only fulfills the Udaram. All our paper certificates, your BA, BE, MA, MSc, PhD, all these are only paper certificates. And you will convert that paper certificate into currency. That's what we are doing. But no, see, there are some sadhus in Haridwar, in Badrinath and all those sacred centers. If you give them money, 500 rupee note I give, what do I do with this paper money? I want something to eat. If you have banana, you give me it immediate. So much tyaga is there. He may buy, but no, I will not buy. If anybody gives me banana or some such food, okay, but not, I don't want paper money. So that kind of vairagya, do we get it? We want more and more paper money. It's easy to carry. We don't want metal, we don't want coins. Because our life is quite different. My grandson, he was always collecting, it was just 3-4 years. He was collecting money, coins and coins. And now he's now collecting the notes. So the $100, $500 note. Amma Baba, just as a play, small boy. Afterwards, he will give it up also. Because after coins, rupee notes. After rupee notes. And they made 2,000 rupees coin also. And it's so dangerous that you lose them. Anyway, so here, Paramatma Tattva Vidyam Prathayishyan. Prathana is to spread one place to place. And that's exactly what Kapila Maharshi did it. Now finally, Vaname Yushikardame Prasanne.
Vaname yushikardame prasanne. Vaname yushikardame prasanne.
Mata Sarvas Samupadisan Jananyai.
Mata sarvasya mupadisan jananyai. Mata sarvasya mupadisan jananyai.
Kapilatmaka Vayumandiresha.
Kapilatmaka Vayumandiresha. Kapilatmaka Vayumandiresha.
Tvaritam Tvam Paripahi.
Tvaritam Tvam Paripahi. Tvaritam Tvam Paripahi.
Mam Gadaugatu.
Mam Gadaughat. Mam Gadaughat.
So Parasruti is important. Normally you have been watching that the 10th sloka or the last sloka is happened to be the Parasruti. That means if you recite this particular dasaka, what is the advantage that we get? Number of recite, repeat, do japa, do parayana, do homa with this. Then what is that? Gadaughat paripahimam. Gada is roga. Ogha is samuha, or the collectivity of number of diseases. We have, see, we don't know the diseases, and that's what is called Gada Ogha. So there are number of known, unknown diseases are there, which might attack. For example, the virus, the COVID now is a Gada Ogha. It is not only one place, several. People say one more wave is there. Whatever it is all Gadaugha. So it's a what we can name them, but all that comes under the general heading as Gadaugha. What make it? Tvam Tvaritam Paripahi. Tvaritam means quickly. No, see, you want the disease to be treated quickly. See, you will wait for the doctor, but if the disease we have, that does not wait for the doctor. It will grow. So we say emergency. And ER, because the disease does not wait. The doctor was telling, you can wait for the doctor, but your complaint won't wait for the doctor, is it not? Your complaint will force you, the pain, etc. Therefore, the poet says here, Tvaritam Paripahi means totally eradicate. Pahi is only protection, positive. But Paripahi means Paritaha Paripahi, Paritaha Pahi, Paritaha means all round, total eradication, something like holistic. Never you should get back to say medicine using. You may get it, but that should disappear. Therefore, look here, Vaname Yushi Kardame Prasanne. So then when boy is born, then the fulfillment has taken as per the promise by Narayana. Then he wanted to go to forest. Ayushi means desiring to go. Vanameyushi. See, Vanameyushi, Kardame Prasanne, and Mata Sarvaswam Upadisan Jananyai. So Kapila Maharshi was instructing or initiating the entire Tattvam, Paramatma Tattva Vidya to his mother, Devahuti, Jananyai, to mother, Kapilatmaka Vayumandiresha. O Guruvayur Krishna, you are available in the form of Kapila Maharshi, Kapila. So, as Kapila Maharshi, who has initiated with the Paramatma Vidya to his mother, to all other people, why do you want this Vidya? To get rid of the diseases to the body, to remain complete energy in our own body. See, we should not get disgusted whenever we have to do Deva Puja. Oh, today I'm tired, tomorrow I'll do puja. All people say like that. Puja is a secondary one. It has not got a primacy or priority at all. In many people, many things. No, puja, God first, we are next. If that were to be the ruling principle, therefore, you are available in the form of Kapila. Oh, where is he available? Vayu Mandira. Vayu Mandira is Guruvayur. Isha, Mandira is temple, in the Vayu temple, and he's a Isha, that is a Ishvara. So what it should say? Tvaritam, quickly, Tvam, you, Paripahi, totally remove us from the torture attack of Gadaughat. See, Gadaugha will be always waiting for us. When we live long years, there will be different kinds of attacks. However many parts we have got in our body, so many problems are also there for the parts. Therefore, we have got hundreds of specialists for each part of our body inside. So cancer specialist is there and so on. So blood specialists are there. So many people are there. So all this will be talked as a Gadaughat. I hope you understood. The sloka is very clear that ultimately Paramatma, Krishna, is present in Guruvayuru in the form of Kapila Maharshi. See, Maharshis also will save you. You have seen Ayush Suktam, that how many people are really taken as the Ayur Devatas from us, that the Ayur Devatas are many more. They will be guarding our lifestyles and journey, and see that we are all very comfortably placed. Therefore, the Ayur Devata now here is this particular Paramatma as a Maharshi Gadaughat. Oh, I think it's good. Om Tat Satu.
Om Tat Satu.
Sarvam Sri
Sarvam Sri
Guruvayuru Krishnarpanamastu.
Guruvayur
Namastu.
Sarvam Sri Matrucharanaravindarpanamastu.
Sarvam Sri Matrucharanaravindaramastu.
Krishnaya Govindaya
Krishnaya Govindaya
Gopijanavallabhaya
Gopijana Vallabhaya
Sarvarogya
Sarvarogya Pradaya
Sarvashaktimayaya
Sarvashaktimayaya
Sri Sri Guruvayuru Krishna
Sri Sri Guruvayur Krishna
Namo Namaha.
Namo
Namaha.
Yes. So I think it's good. Maharshi Kapilacharya. So if you take the history of Kapilacharya, yes, welcome. Govindaraj is new.
Yes, sir. Namaskar, sir.
Oh, you are present. Okay.
Yes, sir. First time.
Yeah, I just want to introduce you. This Narayaniyam is a kavya written by a Kerala poet and devotee of Krishna, Guruvayuru.
Yes.
And every day he used to compose 10 verses.
Mhm.
and 100 days continuously composed 100 dasakas. Dasakas means a group of 10 stanzas. And he had a skin problem, and his guru had rheumatic pains. And he and Guru Ayur Krishna is meant for arogya, to remove the diseases and give all other comforts also. Therefore, he was looking at the pitiable status of his guru. This Rishya Bhattacharya composed.
Yes, sir.
And there are so many slokas, and every sloka has got Parasruti, will remove our health problems and also give you spiritual upliftment, and he will give you moksha. And Krishna is manifold, multifaceted personality. In that complex of personality, and Prahaspati and Vayudeva requested Krishna to specialize himself to remove all the Gadauga. Because the Gada is a problem for all human beings, deterring them from the spiritual practices. Therefore, the Krishna has been installed specifically in this place, Guruvayur. That's why many people, and this Narayanam is highly famous, written by Guruvayur Bhattacharya, who belonged to Malpatturu and all forest area. I happened to visit that Malapatturu. I visited the house of Guru of Bhattacharya, saw the atmosphere there, and it is now very well developed. But anyway, Narayana, Guru Ayur Krishna is supposed to be Arogya Devata. Definitely, he will remove all that.
Thank you, sir. Yes.
So Dasaka, we started Sundays. So I think we have covered around 15, 16 Sundays back. We started this, and it's a good beginning. And we are going every day, every time, every Saturday, Krishna Smarana and Dasaka Parayana and Guru Ayur Krishna Anugraha. We are able to win that. You asked some introduction. I would be giving more and more in the subsequent classes, provided you are catching the plane.
Definitely, sir. I'll catch up.
It's a Punya Pradam, Arogya Pradam, Saubhagya Pradam. And in our Kendra in Bangalore, every year, 2 times we do. There are 40 mamis are there. They all come to our Kendra. But for start the Narayaniyam episodes, Svarayanam, at 9:30, end by 1:30, we'll all have prasadam, Madi prasadam. And that was to take place. This year it is not there. I think last year, 2020, it was there. In 2020, we had in the month of May or so, we were there. So we had, that's the last. Afterwards, we don't know. And we will, when we come to Bangalore, we'll again resume this Narayaniyam and Soundarlari Home. Thank you.
We'll catch up, sir, by then also. Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you, and Guruji.
Good. So we are just trying to win the grace of Narayana, Sri Ram.
Yeah.
Hari Om.